Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English. In today's video, we're going to listen to a simple and fun English conversation called Making New Friends. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and practice your pronunciation. Let's get started.
Hi, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, please sit down.
Thanks, I'm Emma. What's your name?
I'm Tom. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Are you new here?
Yeah, I just moved to this city last week.
Oh really? Welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's nice, but I don't know many people yet.
Don't worry, you'll make friends soon. What do you do?
I'm studying English at the Language Center.
That's great. I study there too. Maybe we'll see each other in class.
That would be awesome. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great job, everyone. You just learned how to make new friends in English. Keep practicing every day to sound more natural and confident. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English conversations. See you in the next video.